नमस्कार साथियों, आज हम बात करेंगे इंडियन सिनेमा इन 1928। तो 1928 में 117 फिल्में रिलीज हुई थी, जिसमें कि केपी भावे, बीपी मिश्रा और कांजीबाई की 6 ईच थी। नाउ दिस केपी भावे इज ए न्यू नेम, so I did little research and I found that KP Bhave was active for a very short period, from late 20s to early 30s, and he made during this period 27 films. Of our actors, Sita Devi made about 5 films, and Dinisha Bilumoria, Sulochana, and Zubeda, 5 each. अब हम बातें करते हैं 1928 की रिलीजेस की. So one of the most important releases was Devdas, a silent film produced by Eastern Film Syndicate and directed by Naresh Mitra. It was the first celluloid version of Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's famous story. It starred Funny Burma as Devdas, and it was later to be made about 8 times in Indian cinema, with the most popular version still cited as P.C. Barua's Devdas in 1935, starring K.L. Sehgal. Khune Nahak was the first Indian screen adaptation of Hamlet, a silent film. It was directed by Athawale, based on Mehdi Hassan Ehsan's version of the Hamlet play, written originally for the Parsi theatre. Then Madhuri, directed by Roma Chaudhary for the Imperial Film Company, and Anarkali, also got Loves of a Mughal Prince, directed by Charu Roy, and Prafulla Roy for Great Eastern Corporation, were among successful films starring Sulochana. Both films were made into talkies versions later on, with Madhuri in 1932 and Anarkali in 1935. Shiraz, directed by Franz Austin and produced by Himanshu Roy, was an adaptation of the play Shiraz, a romance of India written by Niranjan Pal. Starring Roy in the lead role as Shiraz, it has been referred to as one of the boldest films. And then comes the first Malayali film, Vigatha Kumaram, also called The Lost Child. It was the first feature-length Malayali film directed by J.C. Daniel. It was produced by Daniel for his production company, Travancore National Pictures. इसके बारे में और बताएंगे जो हम J.C. Daniel के बारे में बात करेंगे. हम बात करते हैं नरेश मित्रा के बारे में, जिन्होंने देवदास फिल्म का डायरेक्शन किया. He started his acting career in 1922 in Minerva Theatre. In 1923, Mitra joined Star Theatre in Calcutta and starred in several plays, mostly in the role of anti-hero. He worked and acted in the number of films of Taj Mahal Company, East India Film, and Kali Films. Mitra directed Devdas in silent version, produced by Eastern Film Syndicate in 1928. He also directed few films starring Uttam Kumar, such as Bahu Thakuranir Hat and Annapurnar Mandir. अब हम बात करते हैं जेसी डैनियल की। डैनियल established the first film studio in Kerala named the Travancore National Pictures. As regards his film Vigata Kumaran, he produced this film by selling off his ancestral land, and then he wrote the script. He did the casting, he did the direction, he did cinematography, he did acting. Well, it was a one-man show, and he was also the protagonist in the film. There was a girl by name P.K. Rosie. She acted as the heroine. The theme of the film was of social significance and was one of the earliest films of the genre. This film, Vigata Kumaran, was exhibited in Trivandrum at the Capitol Theatre on 7th November 1928. Despite being the very first film made in Kerala and having a socially significant message, वहाँ के जो ऑर्थोडॉक्स लोग थे, they did not like it. They did not like a woman acting in a film. So there was a lot of objection to the film. But eventually, J.C. Daniel established Malayali film industry, and he is considered as the father of Malayali cinema. The Department of Cultural Affairs, Government of Kerala, has instituted an award in his honor. अब हम बात करेंगे अगले वीडियो में कुछ कलाकारों के बारे में। तब तक के लिए अनुमति। सी यू अगेन।